Russia has intensified its military operations in Ukraine's Odessa region, targeting critical maritime logistics. This escalation, as reported by President Zelensky, is seen as an attempt by Moscow to disrupt Ukraine's access to essential maritime routes, further complicating the geopolitical landscape in Eastern Europe. The ongoing conflict continues to exert pressure on global defense strategies and stock movements, particularly affecting companies with significant exposure to European markets. In the United States, Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, saw its shares rise by 5.4% following the announcement of a new U.S. Navy contract. This contract involves the design and construction of a new class of small combatant ships, reinforcing the company's position as a key player in naval shipbuilding. The contract not only boosts investor confidence, but also highlights the U.S. Navy's commitment to modernizing its fleet amidst growing maritime challenges. Meanwhile, the Philippines is enhancing its maritime defense capabilities by acquiring 2 new frigates from South Korea's Hyundai Heavy Industries. The £34 billion, $585 million deal underscores the Philippines' strategic pivot towards strengthening its naval forces in response to regional security dynamics. This acquisition is part of a broader effort by Southeast Asian nations to bolster their defense postures amid rising tensions in the South China Sea. The Pentagon is advancing its counter-drone initiatives by integrating the Joint Interagency Task Force 401 with the Golden Dome Missile Defense Project. This integration aims to enhance defenses against larger drone threats, reflecting the increasing importance of counter-UAS capabilities in modern military strategies. The move is expected to drive innovation and investment in drone defense technologies, benefiting companies involved in these sectors. The Federal Communications Commission has expanded its covered list to include foreign-made drones, effectively grounding them as part of a national security crackdown. This regulatory change is poised to benefit domestic drone manufacturers like AeroVironment, as it creates a more favorable environment for U.S.-based companies to capture market share previously held by foreign competitors. SafePro Group has deployed AI-powered threat detection algorithms for drone operations in GPS-denied environments, enhancing U.S. Army exercises. This development showcases the growing role of artificial intelligence in defense applications, particularly in enhancing operational capabilities in challenging environments. The integration of AI technologies is expected to continue driving advancements in military efficiency and effectiveness. Turning to the markets, AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVDV, experienced a significant price increase of 5.09%. Closing at $255.39. This surge is attributed to favorable regulatory changes in the UAS sector, which are expected to boost domestic production and innovation. The FCC's recent actions have created a more competitive landscape for U.S. drone manufacturers, positioning AeroVironment to capitalize on these new opportunities. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its shares climb by 6.7% to $81.53 after KeyBanc initiated coverage with an overweight rating and a $90 price target. The positive analyst coverage reflects growing market confidence in Kratos's strategic direction and its potential to benefit from increased defense spending and technological advancements in the sector. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, reported a 2.85% increase in its share price, reaching $584.66. This rise follows the U.S. Air Force's designation of its Talon prototype as YFQ-48A, marking a significant step in the development of next-generation military aircraft. The designation underscores Northrop Grumman's leadership in aerospace innovation and its role in advancing U.S. military capabilities. RTX Corporation, ticker symbol RTX, demonstrated a 2.02% increase in its stock price, closing at $185.68. This gain is linked to Collins Aerospace's recent demonstration of a new anti-jam technology, which enhances precision navigation and timing solutions. Such technological advancements are crucial for maintaining the integrity of military operations in contested environments, positioning RTX as a key player in defense technology development. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, experienced a 1.99% rise in its stock price, reaching $483.57. This increase follows the announcement of a leadership change at United Launch Alliance, a joint venture between Lockheed Martin and Boeing. The strategic shift is expected to drive new initiatives and strengthen the company's position in the aerospace sector, reflecting positively on its market performance. For investors, today's actionable takeaways. 1. AeroVironment benefits from UAS regulatory changes, boosting domestic market potential. 2. Kratos gains from positive analyst coverage, signaling strong growth prospects. 3. Northrop Grumman's Talon designation enhances its aerospace leadership.